Hello people, today I want to help you with finding the best hosting company for you. I really recommend to go to HostGator.com. You have the basic plan, and the essentials plan, and the pro plan. The essentials plan is the best for you because then you can host unlimited websites, and with the basic plan only one. So I'm gonna register a new domain here, right over here. I'm gonna call it Websa9. And you can choose .com or .org, whatever you want. So this will cost you $12 a year. And we're gonna add privacy to the domain. I'm gonna choose 1 month, so you can always cancel your subscription if you don't like it. And I'm gonna enter my username and my PIN. Okay, you must fill out your information right over here. So you can check out with credit card or with your PayPal account. So I will highly recommend to use SiteLock, but in this case we don't going to use it. And I will highly recommend to back up your work. So I got a free coupon code for you that will give you the option to check out for only 1 penny, and the next month you will pay $11. So the first month is for 1 penny. Use the coupon code Gerald26 and you will get a large discount. So you will pay this. So, and if you select then the I have read and agree the terms of service and click on checkout. So I will see you in my next lecture.